Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming pads and rotors are the correct parts and properly torqued. This prevents uneven transfer. Once done, warm the rotors with 5 moderate decelerations from about 35 to 45 mph. Apply firm pressure, but do not come to a full stop. You do this to begin the even transfer layer. Make sure brake fluid is within range and the parking brake is released. Otherwise, heat distribution changes and bedding becomes inconsistent. Now you move into progressive heating cycles. Perform 8 to 10 stops that increase in intensity, so you gradually raise rotor temperature without glazing. Between each stop, drive at speed to cool slightly and ensure even pad contact. This prevents hot spots and uneven material transfer. You should notice improved bite and a light odor as resin burns off. If you see smoke or severe vibration, pause and let components cool, because that indicates overheating or contamination. Finish by doing 3 gentle stops to seat the final uniform transfer layer, and then drive for 10 to 15 minutes at varied speeds to allow gradual, even cooling. This prevents cracks and heat spots. Once cooled, test in a safe area with a few controlled stops. You want consistent bite and no pulsing. If pulsation, noise, or reduced performance persists, recheck for glazing or uneven wear and consider a light deglaze. That troubleshooting step fixes most common bedding failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.